Example number 4 and 5. We have word problems, which are pretty easy to set up. We just have to get used to the terminology and think about what the problem is asking as well. When you join a gym, there's an initial membership fee of $15. So $15 is the initial fee. It's a one-time fee that you're going to be paying. Thereafter, you pay $5 a month to stay an active member. How many months will you be able to afford if you have $145? In this type of problems, you guys will have your initial fee. Your initial fee, which is $15, that'll be the B. That'll be the y-intercept. That is a one-time fee. The fee that you pay over and over again, that'll be your slope, which is $5. So we can write down your equation. Y is equal to 5 x plus 15. Remember, x corresponds to the number of months. So if you sign up for 3 months, it will be 5 times 3 plus your initial fee. If you sign up for 4 months, it will be 5 times 4 plus your initial fee, which will be 15. Now, how many months will you be able to afford if you have $145? $145 is the total amount that you're spending, so that'll be for the value of y. So we're going to substitute 145 is equal to 5x plus 15, and we just need to solve for x. I'm going to move the 15 to the left, becomes a negative. It'll be negative 15. That is 130 is equal to 5x. We need to leave the x by itself. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X is equal to, we just do a simple division. 130 divided by 5. 5 goes into 13 twice. 10, 3. 5 goes into 30. 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. So that'll be 26 months. Remember, x corresponds with the number of months. Y will correspond to how much money you are spending. Let's go into the next one together. Example number 5. As a Christmas gift, your grandmother set an account of $250. You are only able to withdraw $15 each month. How much money will you have left after 12 months? Same thing, what is your initial amount? You start with $250, so that'll be the value of B, 250. Your slope is the quantity that repeats over and over and over again. In this case, your slope, because you are withdrawing, is going to be negative 15. Your equation will be y is equal to negative 15x. Remember, x in this case is how much or how many months you are withdrawing money for, plus 250. The question is, how much money will you have left after 12 months? 12 months will go into the x, and y will tell you how much money you have left. So it will be negative 15 times 12 plus 250. So y is equal to, we're going to multiply 15 times 12. That gives us 10, that gives us 2. So that gives us 10, and that will give us 3. This will give me 15, 0, 8, 1. So negative 180 plus 250. Y is equal to 70. So after 12 months, if you're withdrawing $15 each month, you're going to have $70. Now let's look at a different form of a linear equation. The standard form of a linear equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. We are going to be using the x-intercept to graph it. The x-intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis. And we're going to go through very simple steps to graph using the standard form. First, make sure that it's written in standard form. All the x's and y's on the left, and the numbers on the right. We're going to find and plot the x-intercept as well as the y-intercept, and we're going to connect both points. Example number 6. It's already in standard form. The x and the y are on one side, the numbers on the other side. We need to be able to find the x-intercept. To find the intercept, we're going to let the y equal to 0. So we're going to let y is equal to 0. Because we know all of the points on the x-axis have a y equal to 0. It will be 2x plus, instead of the y, will be a 0. And that is equal to 8. So we graph the equation, but instead of the y, we replace it with a 0. This will cancel out. So we have 2x is equal to 8 divided by 2x is equal to 4. That will give you the x-intercept. The x is 4, the y is 0. That is the point. 4, 0. It's right here. Now we're going to find the y-intercept. So find the y-intercept. We know that all the points on the y-axis have an x equal to 0. So to find the y-intercept, we're going to let x equal to 0. We're going to use the same equation. 2. Instead of the x will be a 0 plus y is equal to 8. 2 times 0 is 0, so that cancels out. So we have y is equal to 8. The y value is 8. The x value is 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's way up here. We're going to connect both points. Remember that whenever you're making your line, you want to be able to make it all the way through the graph and place arrows on both ends. Simple enough. Example number 7. Find the x-intercept. Remember, to find the x-intercept, we're going to let y equal to 0. So finding the x-intercept, we're going to let y equal to 0. That means that 2 times 0 is 0. That will cancel out. We have 3x is equal to 5. Divide by 3 on both sides. X is equal to 5 over 3. I need you guys to give me the answer as a point. So this will be 5 over 3 comma 0. That will be your answer. Go and try example number 8. Find the y-intercept. Pause it and see if you guys can do it by yourselves. So to find the y-intercept, I'm going to let x equal to 0. Negative 3 times 0 is 0. So I have negative 5y is equal to 10. I'm going to divide by negative 5 on both sides. Y is equal to negative 2. My answer needs to be a point. Y is negative 2. X is 0. Example number 7. Last example. Determine which of the points lie on the line y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. Two things. I can graph this line and then I can see if those points are actually on the line. Or I can just substitute the values of x and y, and this will have to be a true statement. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. Instead of the y, I'm going to replace it with a negative 5. Instead of the x, I'm going to replace it with a negative 3 plus 1. I'm going to simplify the right hand side. I'm going to bring down the negative 5. Negative times negative is positive 6 plus 1. Is negative 5 equal to 7? No. So this is now on the line. I'm going to try letter B. This is your x and this is your y. I'm going to substitute both values into the equation. y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. Instead of the y will be a negative 3. Instead of the x will be a 2, and then plus 1. I'm going to simplify the right hand side. Negative 3 is equal to negative 4 plus 1. Negative 3 is equal to negative 3. Correct. So this is a point. This point is on the line. This one is not on the line. And the last one. Try the last one, see what you get. Go ahead and pause it. For letter C, we have x and y. We want to find out if this point is located on the line. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. I'm going to substitute the values of x and y. So it'll be negative 1 is equal to negative 2. Instead of the x, I'm going to plug in 1. So I'm going to bring down the negative 1. Simplify this. Negative 2 plus 1. Negative 1 equal to negative 1. Yes. So these 2 points are on the line. This one's now on the line. Thank you. Make sure to email me if you have any questions, and have a great day.